Hi, I am Jyotika, RMD Engineering College. I am going to share an information about transmission lines. Have you ever wondered how electricity gets from where it's made to where it's used? Electricity is one of the invisible magical things that impact our everyday life. Unlike water, electricity cannot be stored in a container. It can be made, moved, and delivered at the moment it's needed. Then, how electricity is delivered to our homes, schools, hospitals, farms, and business sectors? Here comes the role of transmission lines. Transmission lines are set of wires called conductors that carry electric power from generating plants to the substations that deliver power to customers. At a generating plant, electric power is stepped up to several thousand volts by a transformer and delivered to the transmission line. At numerous substations on the transmission system, transformers step down the power to a lower voltage and deliver it to distribution lines. It carry power to the farms, homes and business sectors. This is the transformer where my whole village gets the power from this. The power is delivered among the various transformers. This is delivered over a open wire system. Then every individual home gets the power.
Hi, I'm Kritika. I'm from EC department studying RMT Engineering College. As Jyotika said about the working of transmission lines, I'm going to explain the types of transmission lines. First of all, transmission line is nothing but a path of carrying alternative energy from source to load. There are three types of functions involved in the transmission. One is generation, consumption, and transmission. In between that, many layers are involved, like generator plant. This is the generator plant, and the transmission lines, and the substation in between this, and the transformer, and the distribution line. Through this way, the transmission line is working. And there are many types of transmission lines. Example: coaxial, two wire, waveguide, microstrip, and fiber optic. I'm going to explain about three types: coaxial, two wave balanced wire, and waveguide. First one is coaxial cable. In this, coaxial cable is the most commonly used one. As given in the diagram, the coaxial cable consists of inner conducting wire made of copper. This is made of copper and is the center conductor. Over this conducting wire, the coating is polythene or Teflon material is carried out, and then it is enclosed in the braid wire. This is the braided shield in shape of mesh, and the outer surface of the wire is enclosed in the plastic jacket. This is the outer jacket of the coaxial wire. The common merits of this coaxial cable: it is used even in used for high frequency transmissions, and it occupies less space than balanced two wire. And the conductance which carries energy from source to load is protected from dust and rust. So coaxial cable is the most preferable one. And the demerits involved in this: it is costly, and the design is somewhat difficult to construct. The next one is balanced two wire. As we can see the real time image of a balanced wire, where we are while we are using it in our daily life. In this type of construction, the it is has two types. One is insulating spaces and low loss dielectric. In the first type, the transmission lines, the insulated spaces are used in order to maintain the distance between the transmission lines or between two conducting wire equally throughout. In this type of conducting wires, insulation is the main part. And the next part is low loss dielectric. In this type, the two parallel wires are kept parallel to each other with the help of plastic material. This is used throughout the wire run throughout, and between the conducting wires, the parallel connection is made. And the merits of this two wire conduction is they can be they are the cost is less, so it can be used everywhere, and the design is simple and easy. It has a very simple design. And another thing is it the demerits of it is the twisty path quite difficult. The usage of these wires in the twisty path is difficult, and the external interface of the signal in the open wire is more as compared to other transmission lines. These are the demerits of two open wire transmission lines. And the third one is waveguide. Waveguide is a type of transmission line which carries microwave frequencies from source to load. The energy in the form of electrical and magnetic field is used here. The waveguide is also perpendicular to the direction of propagation, as energy is in the form of electric field and magnetic field. There are two types of waveguides. One is circular and another one is rectangular. Circular waveguide. It is designed from the conducting pipe, which is hollow in the center. It is a hollow in the center, and when we see the real time image, it is polished from the interior portion, and the outer portion is coated with paint or some other material to avoid the dust and rust. And the the special advantage of this is it is available in different sizes and lengths. And the another one is the rectangular waveguide. The rectangular waveguide is designed from the conducting material in rectangular shape, which is hollow, like circular. It is also hollow inside and fully polished outside. The outer surface is painted with the insulating material or with paint to avoid the dust and rust. These are the three common types of transmission lines we are using. Thank you.